You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. Remove the airbox cover retaining latch. Using a Torx T20 screwdriver, remove the 2 screws holding the air filter flange. Then take off the flange, separating it from the inlet conduit. Then remove the filter.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Before putting the filter back in place, it is important to clean it properly by vacuuming any remaining impurities that may remain in the filter compartment. Take the new filter, put the new filter in position. Ensure that the rubber washer goes into the right place. Put the cover back by placing it in the 2 holding studs first. Put the air inlet conduit back in. Then screw the 2 retaining screws back in. Lock the cover with the latch. Put the engine cover back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.